Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, I will be reviewing Bulletproof Email Solution. Is this product worth it? Is it trustworthy? Is it a scam? All that will be answered in this video. But before we get started with that, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like in the video. And now let's get into the review. This traffic source made me a millionaire. It could do the same thing for you. So we're on the sales page right now. This is a ClickBank product, okay? Which is not necessarily a good thing or a bad thing. There's lots of great products on ClickBank and there are some bad ones. My affiliate marketing course is on ClickBank and it's a great one. We have a lot of testimonials on there, and if you do want to grab that, link will be in the description. But getting more into the review, we see there's like a little transcript right here. Traffic, we can't survive without it. We can't get enough of it. But for some of us, it's still a mystery. One thing isn't a mystery though. It's the fact that the right traffic can make you rich. It has for me. So it's a very unique sales page because it reads kind of like a transcript. Okay, I'm not going to read through all of it. Just going to read through. It's a big ocean out there. There's enough traffic for everyone and more. That's why I wanted a price that could float every boat out there, a price everyone could afford. So it's not $900. It's not $400. It's not $300. It is $27. So one thing that I do like about this product is it's an affordable price. A lot of products that I review on this channel are completely outrageous numbers. However, that does not necessarily mean I'm going to give it a good review. So that is one positive thing. It's at a good price. I love when products are priced under $200 because that means your average person could typically afford it, right? I like reviewing products that your average person could typically afford. And if it's an outrageous price, like some of the other ones I reviewed in the past that were like $500, I'm like, hey, no, it's not worth $500. I'm sorry, you're getting a 2 out of 5 stars or whatever. But moving on to my other thoughts on this product. Now, there is some caveats to this. There are some issues I have with it. Firstly, it's a little bit confusing. Firstly, he talks a lot about traffic, okay? Now, traffic is kind of like a catchy word in internet marketing. What is traffic? It's just, people coming from somewhere. That is what traffic is. So a YouTube video could be a traffic source to something else, or a blog could be a traffic source to an opt-in page, right? But one of the things that is kind of confusing to me, he talks so much about traffic in the sales page. The course isn't really about traffic. You're probably thinking, wait, what? The course, even though there is some parts of it that talk a little bit about traffic, the source is really about how to monetize an email list. Straight up, that's what it's about. That means that if you have an email list already, this can be a decent course for you, a decent product for you. But if you don't have an email list, this product is probably a waste of money for you. Just being completely honest with you. I like that it's cheap. It's only $27. I'm 100% with that. But at the same time, he's talking so much about traffic. Unless you already have an email list, this product is not going to teach you that much about how to build traffic. It's just not. It's going to teach you how to segment email lists, how to get conversions, how to have what is called a click funnel, right? It's going to talk about having those like email chains. So an email chain would be like someone opts in, they get one email one day, 7 days later they get another one, 7 days later they get another, right? That's kind of like an email chain. And if they go one way, they get opted into a different email chain. That's kind of what this product talks about. And for a lot of you, that might be a little bit too much, right? A lot of you probably don't have email lists. And that is why I cannot give this product a great review. I will give it a 3 out of 5 stars because it's affordable, but it doesn't really teach what it says it's going to teach, right? It says it's going to talk about traffic, and it's only maybe 10% of the actual product is talking about traffic. So if you actually want to learn how to, create traffic and how to drive traffic on top of that, and also learn how to convert sales and make a lot of money, I would rather recommend to you the course linked in the description, the course titled Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. What you want to do is click that link in the description to the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. It'll redirect you to the product, and that product is also very affordable. Okay. And it's going to teach you everything this product does and then some. It is a full on upgrade from the Bulletproof email solution. Full on upgrade. If you have an email list, maybe this is a good product for you. But if you don't have an email list, this product is not going to help you really very much. And instead, I would highly recommend to you clicking that link in the description so you could get a product that actually works for you and actually teaches you how to make money. So yeah, guys, 3 out of 5 stars for this product. Not going to really talk too much other about it. That's the only review I'm doing for this product. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.